Welcome back to our channel, Learn to Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the laced cross braids. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. I went ahead and put her hair into 4 ponytails. The top of them is going to be from the ear all the way to the other side of the ear, and then the rest would be here by the neck area. We're going to start on the right side of the ponytail. You're going to split this ponytail in half. This part is going to go up here, and the other side we're going to do the same thing. Split it in half and bring it over here. I'm going to put a clip just to hold it into place. Okay, so we're going to split this into 3 equal parts. After splitting it into 3 equal parts, you're going to grab on the left side of the bottom ponytail, split a little piece from there, and add it to this strand here. It'll look like this. Now you can go ahead and do a stitch of a braid. The right goes over the middle, and then the left goes over the middle. You're going to keep adding until you have no more. So go ahead and take a small piece from this side, add it to this strand, and do a stitch of a braid. So the right goes over the middle, then the left goes over the middle. Make sure that it's flushed, and you're just going to keep doing this, okay? So keep taking a small section from this side and add it to the right side of the braid. And then do a stitch of a braid. The right goes over the middle, the left goes over the middle. And you're going to continue to do this until you have no more to add. And go a little faster for time purposes only. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just do a couple of stitches down just to lock it into place. Secure it off temporarily. After I got it into place, I'm gonna take this part right here and secure it right around this ponytail. Then I can go ahead and fix it to make sure that it's tight before I let this go. Okay, so now I'm going to do the same thing here over there. This time I'm going to start the stitch over here on this side. I'm going to split this into 3 equal parts. Before I do a stitch of a braid, I'm going to go ahead and grab a small piece from the right side and add it to this side. Now I'm going to go ahead and start my stitch of a braid. The left goes over the middle and then the right goes over that middle. You're going to try to get the same amount of laces here over there. Okay, add a small section. And then do a stitch of a braid. Make sure that you are flushing with your braid so that it doesn't come loose. And I'm just going to continue to do this all the way down. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only. and secure it off right here. So I'm gonna put a little accessory right here and here. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success and find our videos and parts you might be able to improve on. Also click the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now this helps us to create more videos for you.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
to watch more of us. Click on over there. Love you guys. Till next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys, God bless, have a good week.